This is everything you need to know about how to upcycle an old piece of furniture. Hey, I'm Josh. Upcycling old pieces of furniture gives them a new lease on life. So let's get into it. To begin, you'll need to prepare your space for working. Lay down a drop sheet and ensure there is good ventilation if you're working indoors. Place your desired piece of furniture on your drop sheet and make sure there are no loose items in the drawers or cupboards. Using a screwdriver, remove any hardware such as doorknobs or handles. This is also a good opportunity to replace dated hardware with new styles. Depending on the project that you're working on, you may require an orbital sander, detailed sander, rotary tool, or hand sanding block. Sand your furniture with a medium grit sandpaper to remove old paint or varnish to create a surface that the new paint or stain will adhere to. If you have any holes, dents, or scratches, apply a wood filler and then leave to dry. You'll need to sand back the wood filler to create an even surface. After this, go over the surface again with a fine grit sandpaper for a smoother finish. Then wipe down the furniture to remove all the sanding dust. Before you paint, you'll need to apply an undercoat. This will protect the timber and stop any of the old oils or varnish seeping into our top coat over time and discoloring it. Now here's the fun part. You can now start painting with your chosen colour. Use a brush for any corners and edges to make sure you get into the crevices, and you can use a roller for the flat surfaces. Make sure you apply the paint in thin, even layers. If you have to do more than one coat, make sure your first coat is completely dry. Once everything is dry, reattach the hardware, or add new knobs and handles to give it a fresh new look. We've gone with a faux leather strap. Give your furniture one final wipe down to remove any dust or fingerprints. For an extra touch, you can add a bit of vinyl for some more style. Then your stylish new piece is complete. And there you have it, some new upcycled bedside tables. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks.